Hello everybody, it's Ace, and I hope you all are having a wonderful day, morning, night, afternoon, whatever time of day it is for you, or even if it's night. I hope you all are just having an amazing time right now. Anyways, today I'm going to be recording the second... Are you joking? So y'all don't have to watch again. I'll be right back. This is so stupid. And I did not mean to press play. Sorry about that. Okay, I think I'm done. Or at least back to where we were. Anyways, let's start on the engine. This video is going to be about the engine. So we need a V12. A V12 engine block. Let's see. Alright, now we got that. We're obviously going to need a lot of pistons, a crankshaft, all that other stuff. I know you can get performance pistons. Or do I already have performance pistons? Okay, I need just a normal crankshaft. V12 crank. All the generic stuff. V12. I'm just gonna search V12. V12. Power steering. I'm gonna need that. Alternator, which I know I can get a performance alternator. I wonder if they got any V12 parts here. They do. Okay. I know I'm gonna need that one for when I have that one. Don't know which one of those I'm gonna need. Nor do I know which one of those I'm gonna need. Okay. I think it's not exactly what I wanted to do, but whatever. Let's see. Do I already have pistons? I do. I didn't think I already had pistons. That's pretty good. I'm glad I already have pistons. Yeah, what's y'all's favorite dream car? Tell me y'all's favorite dream car. Or tell me which, if you're old enough, what was your first car? I need more piston rings. I'm gonna get a little bit more piston rings. I keep on pressing escape to go home, but what does home do? Nothing. Ring. Oh wow, I know I'm gonna need that. Piston rings, there we go. Alright. But like, what's y'all's favorite dream car? Or if you're old enough, what was your first car? Or what do you want to be your first car? For me, honestly, if I get a car, I'd be happy. I'm not greedy. I get what I get and I don't throw a fit. I mean, well, it's not entirely true, but you know what I mean. Or do you? Do you really know what I mean? I don't think you do. But you also might. Anyways, enough of that weird nonsense stuff. Like I said, I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but I'm not gonna end this video until I finish up with the engine. And yeah, so. Normal camshaft V12. See, I knew I'd need that exhaust. Because I know what engine this is. It's a Pagani engine. And it's a Pagani engine would take these exhausts. So yay. Or the headers. BV12. We put the intake on? Yeah. Now it's starting to look like an engine. Yeah, if y'all were wondering how much this game is, it's like, I don't remember, it's like $20 or something off Steam. It's a pretty fun game if you're into cars like I am, and it gets pretty in-depth. So, I would try it out if you like cars and you just like building cars. Because it's a pretty fun game. Once you've been playing it for a while like I am, you start to kind of get used to it. Searching belt V12. That's gonna be great. V12 shoe. I don't know how many to get, so I'm just gonna get a bunch. Because I mean, it's not like I don't have infinite money. I don't have infinite money. But yeah, don't forget, if either this video or my last video or any of my car mechanic videos hit 10 likes, I will start a series where I just completely do normal. Timing, I need that. See, I told you it's a Pagani. Where's the timing cover? That. Then I'm gonna need 2 of those. Or actually, wait. I don't know, I'm just buying stuff. V12 water pump. That's a thermostat. Probably gonna need that too. And I'm trying to go fast with this build because I don't want this video to be too long. But I also don't want to, like, I don't want to make the video seem like it's rushed. Although it probably seems like it's rushed. Because it kind of is. See, I knew I needed a thermostat. It needs 2 pump pulleys? Why does it need 2? That's odd. I was thinking what the other one was. I'm like, oh, okay, I guess it's just another thing. I'm gonna turn down my DPI for this game. I knew I had a bunch of those. Oil filter, tossed in. Oh no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20. I'm gonna need 20. I don't know which one. I'm just gonna choose one, honestly. I'm gonna be quiet now because I don't know what else to talk about. I wonder how much horsepower this is gonna make, because I know it's gonna make more than factory. Fuel rail V12A. Okay, I guess it's to a Pagani Zonda R. That's what this engine is. You know, they need to add a Lamborghini DLC, honestly. Like, come on, Car Mechanic Simulator, what are you thinking? I need more spark plugs. Hey, 420. Ooh, you know something I should do? I should start doing Rainbow Six Siege videos. Whenever I finish with this Diablo, I'm going to start doing some more Rainbow Six. Or start doing Rainbow Six Siege. Because Rainbow Six is actually it's a fun game. It really is. It's a really fun game. You get some funny reactions sometimes. You also get some stupid people that don't know how to shut their mouths, and all they gotta do in their sad little life is talk crap about a 14-year-old whenever they're still living in their parents' basement at 27. But I just ignore those people. Alright, that's probably the biggest lie I ever say. I go off on those people. And I shouldn't. I know I shouldn't. But I just can't help it. They're stupid. Okay? They deserve what's coming. They deserve to get smacked in the face by their mom. And get kicked out of their house by their mom. Because it's kind of obvious that they're still living with them if they're talking crap to a 14-year-old. because talking crap to me ain't worth it. What's it gonna do? Make you feel better? If that's what makes you feel better, then I'm sorry, buddy, but you might need to go talk to someone, because that's not okay. I don't know how I started talking about this. Oh yeah, the stupid people in the game. I think... Oh, air filter, duh. I think I'm done. Oh wait, the air filter. Oh yeah, I gotta flip it around. Okay, there we go. Okay. Rod cap. I hope I have 12 rod caps, because if I don't, that's gonna suck. And hopefully this video does not reach over 20 minutes. It might, but it also might not. Really hope it doesn't. But in tomorrow's video, we are going to be doing the suspension and basically finishing up the car, so suspension will be a lot faster than this. I'll say that. This is just a little bit more tedious because you literally build the entire engine from ground up. Except for putting in all the gaskets and stuff. And I'm not saying I know everything about cars, because I can tell you this, I don't. And if I built an engine in real life, it'd probably explode into like 37 pieces. I say 37 because it'd shoot like a rod through the block or something, or crack the block. Or just blow a head gasket in like half a second. Has this literally taken an entire minute to do this? Oil pond. Yeah. Yeah. You know what it is. Everything I do it big. Alright, I think we got our 17-minute long video. There's the engine for our Lamborghini Diablo. I did put that on, and I did change the front to where it's the older version. But yeah, I think that's all we got for this video, guys. So this is Ace, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.